Well, Kool-Aid Ghoul-Aid Popping Candy Scary Berry is back at stores, well, at least Dollar Tree. Let's try these. So I don't know if this is going to be the trend like last year when there was like, we had different Kool-Aid flavored popping candy. Some are good, some aren't. There literally, last year into this year, there literally was at least 5 or 6 different Kool-Aid themed holiday popping candy flavors. And they did it Easter, I believe, and that was the last time I've had the Kool-Aid popping candy. I believe it was Easter. So this is like the original popping candy that they first created, and now they still have all the other flavors, but don't know if all the other flavors are going to return. But they had like a Christmas themed, they had a Valentine's themed, and then they had a, I believe they had a St. Patrick's themed, and they also had a Easter themed, if I'm not mistaken. And of course I tried it all. These are pretty good. I'll give these a 7 out of 10.